Alright, also I'm going to replace the laminate that's on my S9. I already did the crossfader here, but the volumes are it's kind of bubbling up right here on the volume, so I guess I'm going to replace that too. Plus the last video I didn't really come out with the best quality, so hopefully I can get through this before my phone runs out of space. But anyway, so I'm going to peel off this old piece of adhesive laminate here, and then I'm going to most likely have to clean it as far as the old residue, which means I'm going to have to go get some rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball. As you can see though, this laminate just kind of peels off. Okay, and then we just got to clean all this up. Dang it, hold on a second. I wasn't gonna do the volumes, I was just gonna leave it alone, but I ended up, it's like, man, I haven't replaced those just yet, so they've been on there for a while, and I couldn't look at this being all new and then those ones being all messed up. So I'm gonna add this rubbing alcohol to clean off the old residue here. Okay. And you really don't have to worry about anything here. It'll just all kind of rub away. And rubbing alcohol is, well, it will just evaporate. So, as you can see, it's already starting to come up. Just a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Let's get another ball here. Put some rubbing alcohol on. Yeah, making progress here. So it's starting to rub away here. It's getting there, nice and clean. And the nice thing is that it don't leave any residue behind, and it cleans off really nice. And that hurt. Alright. Typically I don't do this with the faceplate still on the mixer, but I can't hold the faceplate and do all this at the same time. You know, I need to make sure everything's in camera view. So anyway, that looks pretty good. We're close. Let's see here. A few little spots. Perfect. Okay, now let's take that, oh gosh, cotton ball here, another clean one, and then I could probably just rub the rest of this stuff away. Okay. Just like that. I'm making good time, only 5 minutes in, not bad. Okay. So let's get these screws off of here. So I'm gonna have to do this with the other side as well. But the right side was a little worse off than the left volume. See if I could do this under 10 minutes. Right now, about 6 minutes in, well, 5:47, 48, so around in there. So, see if I can get this under 10 minutes. Move all the screws. Okay. So I already pre-cut the laminate here, and I'm gonna move this real quick. Move this real quick. Oops. There we go. So now all I have to do is take this, and I'm going to put it right up, pretty much up against the where the actual pads are, the Q point pads. That's where I want it. So about right there. Try to get it as straight as possible. So now all I have to do is peel this off. Just like this. Okay. Now, oops, I go. Try to get this as close as I can. Just like that. Little off, but you know what? No big deal. It'll work for now. So now all I have to do is cut out this piece here. So we can cut it here. So we're just gonna go along this side here, like that. Then we're gonna cut along this side here, like that. Cut up here, make a little slit, make a little slit, and then from the back side, we should be able to push up this piece right here. Look, you see that right there? That should come off. Boom, just like that. Now we can put it back on. And bam, it's good to go.